Here is all you need to know about the new BMW 4 Series Coupe, all in under 2 minutes. The new 4 Series Coupe comes in 7 model variations, the flagship being the BMW M440i X drive, 430 diesel X drive 6-cylinder with mild hybrid system doing 62 in 5.2 seconds, and finally a 340 bhp M440 diesel, which again a 6-cylinder mild hybrid system setting 62 miles an hour in just 4.7 seconds. Styling of the new 4 Series actually looks much better now that the full car has been revealed. In fact, the whole car looks nice with the exception of the front grille, but let's be fair, that's starting to grow on me each time I look at it. You see what I did there? But all jokes aside, the large vertical grille is supposed to pay homage to some of BMW's legendary coupes and provide better cooling for the engine. But as for the rest of the car, I really like it. Compared to the 4 Series of old, it's 21mm lower, the rear track is 23mm wider, and the car has a pretty spot on 50-50 weight distribution. You can opt for things such as the M Sport Package Pro, which gives you louder sounds inside the car, and 19-inch wheels. LED lights come as standard with the option to add laser lights, which in my opinion is a must-have option. Inside the cabin you get a 10.25 display with operating system 7. The 4 Series gets new sports seats and a new leather steering wheel to bring it in line with interiors found in cars such as the 8 Series. You also get a new Cloud-Based Bmw Maps navigation service, but if you can't get away from your iPhone, then Apple CarPlay and smartphone integration comes standard on the car in both cable form and wireless. I really look forward to driving this car and seeing what it's like as a driver's package, but the market launch isn't going to happen until October 2020. Let me know what you think in the comments below of the brand new BMW 4 Series. Also, don't forget to subscribe for plenty more videos like this as well as road reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.